This is the HTML output view for a process model. Selecting any component in the process diagram results in a pop-up on the right displaying all populated detail for that component. You can click through the subprocesses by selecting the plus button within the activity the subprocess has been linked to. Or you can use the drop-down menu at the top of the page to navigate to different areas of the model. Zoom options are available for you to zoom in, zoom out, zoom to fit, reset zoom, or view the process diagram in full screen. The Filter tab allows for toggling on or off certain data being displayed in the process diagram. Unchecking the box for Show Responsibilities turns off the responsible roles being displayed in the diagram. You can seamlessly switch between the current and future state of the model. If responsible or accountable roles have been linked to the process, you can view the process as one of those roles. When selecting a role, the activities the role has been linked to will become highlighted and all other activities will be grayed out. Collaboration is a major aspect when building processes, and we allow for authors and stakeholders to collaborate with each other. Clicking the Comments tab opens up a pop-up on the right of the page. This allows you to add a comment for the whole process. You can also add a comment to individual components of a process. When selecting a component in your diagram and clicking the Add/View Comments option in the pop-up, you'll be able to add a comment to this component. You'll also have the ability to tag in groups or individuals to a comment. They will be notified of this within the tool and via email. Once the comment has been submitted, you're able to view any replies to the comment as well as respond. If any response to a comment is one that resolves that comment, the Mark as Resolved tick box can be ticked before adding the reply. Multiple discussions can be had for individual components or for the whole process at the same time. To start a new discussion, separate to any other comments added, click the Start Discussion button. Within the Actions tab, there are options for how you would like to output or share the model. These include being able to bookmark the model, edit the model if you are an author, share the model to another user via email, print the model, view model as PDF, or output the model diagram as an image. Subscription options are available in order to be notified of any comments or changes made to the model. Notifications will be made both via the platform and email. The document view of a model brings together aspects of both HTML and PDF outputs. The layout is very similar to a PDF format, but because this is sitting in HTML output, this allows authors and stakeholders to still be able to collaborate with each other. Comments can be added here by selecting the speech bubble symbol next to the model component. Here, the same comment pop-up will appear on the right that we saw in the diagram view earlier. The drop-down menu at the top provides easier navigation to specific parts of the document. Certain properties and data can be viewed in table format. This provides an alternative view of certain detail populated for a property throughout the whole model. Here you can see a table highlighting the RACI throughout the process as well as an accountabilities table. Other tables also include risks, inbound references, and changes made to the model. The context view allows the user to see the process hierarchy along with contextual awareness around the model. The linkages between different parts of the model can be clearly seen in a simple diagram structure. Users have the option to search across the whole model. The results of the search will display in the space underneath the search bar, where you'll see not only the component being searched for, but also anything linked to or from that component. The PDF output can be accessed via the HTML output under the Actions tab. This will open the output into a separate browser tab where you can see it is generating the PDF. To fully generate the PDF, reload or refresh the browser page. Once the page has been reloaded or refreshed, the PDF will have been fully generated and the front page of the PDF can be seen. When scrolling through the PDF, the Document Control and Contents page will be displayed first, followed by the process diagram. After the process diagram, all the detail for each component will be displayed. The scrolling option on the left side of the screen can be used for easier navigation to particular pages of the PDF. The PDF ends with some of the tables seen in the HTML output, such as RICI and accountabilities.